Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to do an SQL problem for no reason. So let's do one that obviously I haven't done yet. And yeah, just play around and eventually solve all these problems. Hopefully. Let me actually also change it by premium. Can I change it by premium? Oh, there we go. So that when I lose premium, I can still do those problems, right? So yeah. All right, let's do a random one. Hopefully not too difficult, and we'll see. Okay, so today we have a medium SQL problem, 1285. Find the start and end number of continuous ranges. Okay, so you have a table log ID and an int. Right. And these problems are kind of crap, but like you wouldn't do this in real life. I think that's the problem with all these SQL problem things. Is that for as a software engineer, a lot of these things you just kind of do it another way. You wouldn't do it in database. But I would also say that as a data analyst, not that I was a data analyst, but I had to use at certain times, just like Hive and all these other things, to get data out. You know, like big data, aggregate data out of the stores. You know, like it is helpful to kind of good to do, but yeah. Uh, yeah. Okay. That said, I don't know if I mean, this is one of those ones that I kind of know how to do, but it's so expensive. Um, hmm. Or maybe I could use this as a learning experience. I don't know. There's a lot of discussion too for some reason, but okay. How do I even think about doing this? All right, let's just start by selecting. Oh, that's right. Oops. Okay. I mean, this output is a little weird. Do they not have like a thing that shows like an actual thing? This is kind of awkward, isn't it? Hmm. There you go. Okay. This is still very awkward, but I thought that I've seen better representation before, but okay, fine. How do I get rid of this? I'll have to go back to here to uncook it. Okay. Um, hmm. Mm, so, I mean, the idea would be that we just kind of join it with itself. Maybe the other one. Like a bit. And technically, I guess you have a one. Something like that, right? At least just to play around with. Okay, this is what we expect. But then now we have to merge them a little bit. I don't know that I know how to do that. And also the 10 doesn't exist, which is kind of awkward. But though you could just do a left inner join or something like this, so it's not that. Or left out. Yeah, left outer join. So that's not that bad, but. I don't know how to do it, maybe. It is definitely something that I am not in shape for. Um, I mean, I guess the way to do it is by group by, but. I forget that you also kind of want like subqueries and stuff like this. in these things. One, two, two, three, there you go. Oh. Yeah, I mean, I only know how to. I'm trying to think about how to do it, and all my ways of thinking about doing it in my head is kind of all like what you might call it, like I have to do it iteratively. Um, oh, I guess there is a thing, but I don't know that they support it. I think that's one of the things is that there are a lot of different SQL things. What does this do? Oh. There are a lot of SQL things that I don't know what they support exactly. Because there is stuff where you can do a roll up, roll by roll type thing. Let me look that up. SQL roll up, rolling average. But it's something that's definitely not in. Yeah, maybe it is, but it's definitely not in like a software engineer's SQL set. Just because you would never write these queries, because there are more. Like these queries are so expensive, but it is a good learning thing. So I am trying to learn it without looking at the answer, obviously. But I'm just trying to figure out how to use over the over keyword, SQL over. Is that in Transact SQL though? Is there a Python version? I don't know. Oh, not Python. MySQL. I don't know. Actually, I still don't know what the All right, let's just say. Let me play around with this because I want to learn a little bit. Let's say select. We can maybe write something silly because it doesn't make sense. Over. I'm just looking at the syntax thing, by the way, in case you're wondering what I'm keep on alternating to. Does that work? Like I don't know what SQL. Okay, so this does work. I mean, in the sense that this is a thing, because I don't know. Oh, MySQL. Is that a new MySQL thing? Huh. Man, I'm so used to old school MySQL, but I do wonder what the performance benefit of this. So maybe it is kind of fine, right? Okay, so let's say we can do this. Then we want to say, is there a way to just kind of think about this with the over? Window frame preceding unbound. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I think this is probably the way to do it, but like something like. How do we do it? preceding. I mean, this actually doesn't seem that expensive conceptually, but like in terms of whatever, but still you would probably yeah, I don't know. Maybe I just don't know how to do it. I don't know if this is a standard thing to know. Maybe I should have done a little bit of practice or reading. Like this feels like the way to do it, but yeah, I mean, and it still will need an inner join. Basically like what I had before, but like okay, so what I had before, okay. Right. This, right? Oops. What's it called? It's No, but what isn't there? I forget what it's called. Both outer join. Full outer join. That's the keyword. I don't really need it, but okay, fine. But then now this should. What? What is the keyword? Yeah, maybe it's just not MySQL. We're here MySQL. That is kind of annoying. Maybe that's not the way to go. Alright, let's just stick with left outer join for now. And then now we have what I expect. And then here, how do I use over? If I do something like, I don't know. I mean, this thing looks kind of okay, but yeah, okay, maybe I could do it that way. We could do like, let's go. Or whatever, just call min of over, oops. Then max L2 log ID. Right. Because of the no. That's actually not great. Oh, L1 maybe. Because we always have an L1. Okay, so then now it does 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, so then that's good. And then now we want to take this. And want to say, no, this is 1 and 8, right? So then now we have to do, the min has to be a little bit different. Over maybe this is it actually, not the over part, but just this idea of, okay, so let's say we have this, right? And then now we have, maybe I did need the full outer join, that's why I was kind of, yeah, so then you have this, and then maybe you can do something like, where there's no, something like that. That's fair. Okay, so then now we have all the nodes, we just have to sort them somehow, right? Actually, I don't know how to sort them now, but the idea that I have was that now we just kind of merge these things together. But how would I even do that in a sorted kind of way? Order by. Maybe I could do something like this, because one of them is no anyway. Okay, I have to MySQL convert no to 0. I forget how to in if no. Okay. This is such a hack. This is why you wouldn't do it this way. Okay, so then now you have these things, and then except for this has to kind of change, but how'd that overwork again? So I do like every 2 rows. So yeah, this gives you a window. I don't want a window. I want like how's it already 3 o'clock? And this Apple Watch thing is kind of crazy. All right, well. Give me my rings. Do you want me to stand up or not? Okay, I guess I should have. Okay. Starting point and end point. Okay, that's fine. But I actually just want like every 2 rows or something like this. Oh, I guess I could do something like what's it called? Row number. Something like this. Okay, fine. So then we do like row number. Does that give me anything? Maybe that is not a MySQL thing. Row number MySQL. How do I know what version it is? Apparently it is in MySQL 8.1. Maybe? Or maybe I just have to do like this. Oh, okay. I was wrong. It is in it. Unknown column R in where course. Okay, then let's just do the so now we can do the 2 things and then we just filter it out, I guess. Where's the Sorry that this isn't very helpful, but as you can see, this is me trying to problem solve on something that I don't really know about. maybe it's not that useful, so maybe I won't do it that often. But where was the thing that we were just looking at? Oh, there it is. Rows. What is range? It doesn't give a good example. I mean, this is for rows, but it doesn't give a range. Or is it just... Right, maybe I could just do. Alright, let's just use this one. And it would not be unbounded proceeding, it'll be one proceeding. Okay, let's see if that works. I mean, it does something, so that's good. Does one, no, 1, 3. It does not seem to give me the extra column. Oh, no, min is the min. So 3 is 3, 7. So 1 is the, okay, so min is the min ID, so that's why. Okay, so that means that if you're on the thing, then it's actually the min of max. That's the one that I kind of got wrong. Okay, so then now this is, okay, no, this is wrong. Well, no, this is not wrong. No, this is wrong. No, is it? Oh, yeah, no, this is wrong, but, oh, this is wrong as min, but there you go. I think that's what I mean to do. Okay, so then now you have 1, 3 and 7, 8, and not so Gucci on the 10, 10. Huh. 2, 4. Why not 10, 10? Min of max. Because then now we can just do something like I think there's an actual mod function, but MySQL mod, I forget. Let's just call mod. Okay, fine. Operand should come in one column. Oh, whoops. So okay, so oh yeah, we have to take out the first thing, but I don't know why the 10 thing doesn't work. Alright, so that's... my watch is telling me to stand up. I did not stand up, so mistakes were made. But, okay, fine. Why doesn't the 10 match the before? So, min of the max. Oh, I remember. Because this is sorted differently because they're both tens and this doesn't work. So so we have to order by max first or something. As a second tiebreaker. Or something like this. Maybe the other way. Okay, see, there we go. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, and then we don't take... That's actually confusing, but if it works. Oh no. Let's just say F for first and this is second. Whatever, it's too late. I'm terrible with whatever. Oh, oops. Alright, that's basically the idea. That took way too long. But I think at the end of the day it just becomes problem solving even though it was a very tricky one. Hopefully I don't get a wrong answer. Or maybe time limited. But, yeah, I always forget whether over is in the new thing because for me in my mind MySQL is still way old and they don't have all these new things, but I guess they do. It's been like many years. But I guess for now I do want to check out any cooler solutions. Let's see. Huh. That's cute. I will admit that I don't know tricks about using over, so that actually makes sense. This is actually pretty cool. This is a good idea. It reminds me of that. There's the algo problem where you have trying to find a straight line in things, and this is how basically this is the straight line right in the coordinates. I'm not going to visualize it that much, but definitely the way that I did this. Okay, well, I guess they did it the same way. I mean, apparently I did it the crazy way. But I think a lot of these requires using the over thing, which I am not familiar with, to be honest. I don't know if you would ever need to use this though. It's a little bit awkward. But anyway, I don't know. So I definitely overcomplicated, but at least it works. So yeah, that's all I have for this one. I may not do another one soon because this is, gonna go for my one. But yeah, stay good, stay healthy, do good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.